Do you want to get straight A's this year in your exams? Do you tend to miss out on extracurricular activities or any social events because of your exams? If yes, then don't worry. In this video, I will be sharing 2 easy habits you can develop for getting straight A's this year. But before I share the 2 simple and helpful habits for getting straight A's, please make sure to like, subscribe and share. The first step is to summarize everything you've learned about a particular subject into paragraphs. Write 3 to 4 paragraphs with about 5 to 7 sentences in each paragraph, and write everything that you've learned in the subject with all of the topics, basic information, and what you think is going to come up in your exams. In the paragraphs, you can use this format to elaborate a particular topic which you think is going to come up on the test. Let's say you have a science exam coming up, and one of the main topics is electric circuits. So you can start by writing what the topic is about. So you can write one sentence on getting to know electric circuits. Then you can write what's it about. Here you can write about 1 to 2 sentences on what are electric circuits. Then you can write some main points under the topic, which can be about 2 to 3 sentences, and the conclusion, which will be 1 sentence, where you can conclude everything about electric circuits. After writing the paragraphs, make sure you read it at least 2 to 3 times so that you can remember these points for the test. And make sure to also read the paragraphs every day before the test. You don't need to memorize it, but when you read it consistently, you know your learnings even better and you understand it. The second habit is to create flashcards. Cut a few pieces from an A4 sized page. Then on one side write a question, and on the other side of the piece write the answer of the question, just like how it's written here. Make at least 10 to 15 flashcards with questions and its answers on it. Make sure you answer all questions till you get all of them right. Understand and answer these questions every day before the test. Follow these 2 habits every day before the test. You only need 1 day for summarizing and the same day for creating the flashcards and practicing from it. This will definitely help you to get A pluses on your test, and you can also not miss on any extracurricular activities or any social events if you do this consistently. So all the best, and I will see you in the next video.